Always remember the truth never changes. Today's video, I am going to try using glitter glue on my eye base before I do my eyeshadow. I want to see if what I tried before worked. So I'm going to put glitter glue everywhere, and it's going to be matte eyeshadow. I am going to let it dry a little because the last time when I tried it with the matte eyeshadow, it worked so well. My eyeshadow stayed really nice, so I did like it. So that's why I'm trying it again. So let's see if it works again, because it worked the first time, which surprised me. So I want to see if it works again. I'm trying to make sure both eyes have the same amount. I'm just tapping in my glue, my glitter glue on my eyes. It's the NYX glitter glue I'm using. Everything is looking good. Today's I am says, I am one with the very power that created me. I am one with the very power that created me. I am using a lighter brown and I'm going into the crease and I'm going to take it all the way to the brow bone. So far on the glitter glue, it is looking okay. It is not crumbling and I am liking that two-color eyeshadow look today. And I'm using matte because again, I am trying this glitter glue to see if it works. The first time it worked, I want to see if it works the second time. So far, so good. I'm loving this. I am one with the very power that created me. I am one with the very power that created me. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Do not dim your light for another. Always be true to self. Remember, truth never changes. Because the color I use in the crease and in the brow bone is lighter than the next color I'm going to use, I just clean my brush and now I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going into a brown and I'm going to put it right on the lids and a little in the crease and the outer corner. It is a very nice dark brown. But today's I am is very true to self. You have to be one with the very power that created you. Sometimes we pray and then we say, well, God, universe, whoever you pray to is not answering your prayers. And while you are praying and asking for whatever it is you're asking for, double check and make sure you are taking actions. Because action and prayer works hand in hand. And an example is like you want a cup of tea and you put the kettle on the stove but never turn it on. And then when you get back, the water is still cold, it never boiled, and you're mad with the stove for not boiling the water, but you never put it on. You did not take that action. So always take action to whatever it is that you are wanting or needing, and be patient, because sometimes everything don't come as we want it. It doesn't come as fast as we say we want it or need it, and we give up on praying or searching or seeking for that thing. Keep praying, don't give up, and remember, you are one with the very power that created you. Today's eye look. I used the NYX glitter glue again, and I created this. I did put down my base, which is by Plain in Makeup by Yolando, and then I let it dry, and then I put the NYX glitter glue on it, and I fan it with my St. Lucia fan to dry it up, and then I took matte eyeshadow and I always dab it on first because I have oily skin and oily lids. And once that was on, I blended just a little. I didn't blend it a lot. And then I put the second color. This is it. I thank you very much for watching. Today's I Am says, I am one with the very power that created me. Remember, until I see you and you see me, be one with the power. Be one with the very power that created you. You belong, you are loved, you are enough, and I love you always. See you in the next video. Bye.